2025 KTM 390 Adventure R skid plate. So we have these skid plate here. We have two front brackets, right side, left side, also marked. When we have a rear bracket, they supplied hardware 8 M8 by 25 millimeter long tapered Allen bolts. I already have the blue Loctite on them. 4 M8 nylock nuts, 4 washers, 1 M10 by 240 more or less millimeter long through bolt, 2 washers, 2 spacers, and 1 nylock nut. This is not a supplied bolt. This is the OEM one. I'm going to show you where it came out of. And then we have 5 millimeter and 6 millimeter Allen sockets. You can use Allen keys. 17 millimeter wrench or spanner. 10 millimeter hex socket, ratchet and ratchet extension. And a 13 millimeter wrench or spanner. Now grab the through bolt, put the washer on. Just an important side note, pay attention to the orientation, the angle of this bracket. It's gonna have to be angled like this. Don't put it on backwards, otherwise you have to pull out the through bolt. But before you go too far, check on this spacer because it fell out from here for me. So I'm gonna keep it in place and then push that bolt through. All right, so now the through bolt is sticking out. Spacer, right side bracket, washer, and the 10 millimeter nylock nut, like so. All right, let's go to the bottom of the engine now. Here's the OEM through bolt, the short through bolt, and here's our bracket. So the orientation is that the short arms are going to be facing back and the long ones are going to be facing forward. Okay, so slide this bracket in place. Make sure to apply some blue Loctite on this bolt. And then just hand thread this and let it hang like so. All right, so if you have one of these scissor lifts or any jacks, they are going to be very helpful. So you can do this without any additional help. And then line up the mounting holes to your best knowledge. Put the bolts through here, both front end, or you can go ahead and start with the rear ones, either or. Put those through. Just make sure that you use blue Loctite on the rear bolts because the front ones, you're going to be using a washer and the nylock nuts, and they don't require any Loctite or a thread locking fluid. But back here, yes, so put those in. Just make sure that you only turn the bolts back here one time or twice max. Okay, so on the back side, washer, and then spin on the nylock nut. It's nice and simple. Repeat the same again. On the back side, the washer. There's a lot of room behind here, so it should not be an issue. The M8 bolts up here take 23 Newton meters. The ones back down here, just pull them nice and snug because they are welded nuts. You don't want to apply 23 Newton meter torque specs on them. They might break off. So should you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can call toll-free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.